You're an accountant and you know XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, index matches, but you don't know Power Query. Here's a way to level up your Excel skills, and I'm going to show you what I did today in Power Query. Power Query is actually a free tool that Excel has built in. If you go to your data tab here and go to get data, you'll be able to get data from various sources. So you can get data from an Excel workbook that's not this workbook, a CSV file, a folder. So I'm going to hit from a CSV file. I'm going to pull in this sample data that I have in the CSV file. I'm just going to click this and import. And then once I do that, you're going to get into the Power Query UI. So what's great about this is you can do everything you can in regular Excel, but in Power Query. And the beauty about Power Query is that it's going to record every step that you make so that next time this data gets refreshed, you don't have to reperform those steps. It's going to be basically a macro on steroids. It's going to record every step, and every time you refresh the data, it's going to apply all those steps. One example of this is this data set's pretty large, and if I wanted to format this, if I wanted to remove columns, just remove this column, you can see here, it's going to say removed column. And then everything that you do here, if you change the type, if you do a lookup, it's going to save that step so that next time you don't have to do it manually. When you're done with your data, you can hit close and load. And it's going to give you a few options, so you can load it straight to the Excel file, and it's going to look green. And this is how you know it's from Power Query, because it's either green, or you can see here it has a query or connection to 7,000 rows from that sample data that I pulled in. So you can imagine I use this to automate 4 million rows of data each month that we had coming in from our Apple App Store, Google App Store, all that data to recognize revenue. I had that coming into Power Query. I formatted it correctly. I had a lot of logic built in, and I didn't need to do it manually. Before I did Power Query, it would take me about 2 days to complete. And then with Power Query, I could run my computer overnight without me touching it. And then by the morning, all that data would be loaded in. It would be in the format where I could upload it to our ERP in a journal entry format, and then I would be done. So Power Query is definitely a way to level up. I know this is a long video, but Power Query has a lot of functionality that I didn't even touch. So if you do want to learn more, if you want career advice, accounting advice, make sure to follow, leave a like, leave a comment. Love y'all. Peace.